press bell button for video alerts.
Conversation about hometown.
Where is your hometown?
My hometown is Hyderabad, Telangana.
Is it the city or the countryside?
I live in LB Nagar.
What's it known for?
It's famous for red chilies.
What people do there?
Agriculture is the main industry in my hometown. Most of the people here plant and sell red chilies.
How is the atmosphere there?
Well, it's quite peaceful. I enjoy the fresh air here.
How are people there?
They are friendly and hospitable.
Would you like to live in your hometown or somewhere else?
Yes, I would. I just wish I can live here forever.
Is it easy to find a job there?
Manual work is easy to find. I'm not sure about the white-collar jobs.
Is it a good environment for young people?
I don't think so. The pace of life here is quite slow. If they want to work in a dynamic environment, they would better move to the city.
Is traffic congestion a big problem in your hometown?
Not at all. We couldn't be happier with the traffic system here.